Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify SiteGround affiliate tracking and commission attribution, full guide step by step clearly. To verify SiteGround affiliate tracking and commission attribution, start by logging into your SiteGround affiliate dashboard. Navigate to the reports section in your dashboard. In the reports section, locate the option for click or referrals. Click on this option to view your referral traffic. Confirm that the traffic sources listed include the links you promoted. Next, check the Commission tab in the dashboard. Here, you should see any commissions that have been attributed to your account. For further verification, click on individual transactions to view detailed information. This will include the visitor's IP address, the date of click, and the landing page. Make note of any discrepancies you find within the information provided. If all information matches what you expect, your tracking is functioning correctly. If there are inconsistencies, consider checking the links you used for promotions. Ensure that the tracking parameters were correctly added to your affiliate links. Another verification step involves reaching out to your referral customers. Ask them if they used your affiliate link during their purchase. This can confirm whether your tracking is functioning accurately. If you still have concerns, contact SiteGround's affiliate support team. Provide them with details of your observations for further assistance. Finally, monitor your reports regularly for any changes in your tracking status. Regular checks will ensure your affiliate tracking remains accurate and efficient. By following these steps systematically, you can ensure that your SiteGround affiliate tracking is verified and functioning as intended. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.